to demonstrate that a freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in the north-south direction. Okay, all wooden clamp stand, thread and bar magnet. Now I rotate this magnet. Okay. Our magnet is align itself in north and south direction. That is proof that this is north direction and that is proof that this is south direction. You can see. Is to demonstrate that to make a magnet bounce. Magnet को हमें bounce कराना है. कैसे bounce कराओगे? Magnet को हमें bounce कराना है. Okay, let's do it. There are two poles of magnet. That is north and south. Okay, that is north and south. So, what is like poles and unlike poles? Like means दोनों poles same हो तो उसको like कहते हैं. Like blue, blue. मतलब south and south. It is like poles. It is like poles. दोनों poles same होने चाहिए. It is like poles. Okay, and then one is blue and one is red, means one is south, one is north. It is unlike poles. What? Unlike poles. It is like both poles are same and it is unlike. Both poles are different. Okay, different each other. It is not. It is south and it is north. Okay. Materials required is two ring magnet. It is ring magnet. Okay, two ring magnets. And pencil, long pencil and holder. Take a two ring magnets, okay, and long pencil and insert the pencil holder. Okay, insert in the pencil holder and two magnets. Okay, now we will take a light poles. हम light poles लेंगे तभी वो bounce करेगा. Otherwise वो stick हो जाएगा. It is not attractive because light poles are there. Light poles always against each other, not attractive. It will appear that is bounce each other, okay, bouncing and not attractive. Magnets are not attractive. Okay, the conclusion is that light poles are not attractive each other.